The shield represents patriotism. The shield denotes our belief in democracy, liberty, and the American way of life.
All of these components constitute our emblem. Separately, they can be applied to many organizations, but as one unit, they represent the fundamental principles and purpose of our organization. The emblem represents SkillsUSA.
To prepare myself by diligent study and ardent practice, to become a worker whose services will be recognized as honorable by my employer and fellow workers, to base my expectations of reward upon the solid foundation of service, to honor and respect my vocation in such a way as to bring repute to myself, and further, to spare no effort in upholding the ideals of SkillsUSA.
So great.
The meeting will now come to order. The thought of the day will be given by Madam Vice President.
Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change.
The emblem is symbolic to the SkillsUSA organization. You are about to witness the emblem ceremony in which each of the components are given and the colors of the emblem are described. Madam Parliamentarian.
The shield represents patriotism. The shield denotes our belief in democracy, liberty, and the American way of life. The gear represents the industrial society. The gear, symbolic of the industrial society, denotes the interdependence and cooperation of the individual working with labor and management for the betterment of mankind. Madam Treasurer. The torch represents knowledge. The flaming torch reflects the light of knowledge, which dispels the darkness of ignorance. In the light of the torch, progress will be made toward the vocational goals of the individual. Madam Secretary.
The orbital circles represent technology. The circles represent the challenges of modern technology and the training needed to accept and master new technical frontiers and the need for continuous education.
The hands represent the individual. The hands portray a search for knowledge and our desire to acquire a skill. In the process of attaining knowledge and skill, we will develop a respect for the dignity of work and become productive and responsible citizens. Madam Historian.
With the affixing of the golden hand, we have the final official colors of SkillsUSA. The colors of the emblem represent our organization. Red and white represent the individual states and the chapter. Blue represents the common union of the states and the chapter. And gold represents the individual, the most important element of SkillsUSA.
Make up the emblem. Separately, they can be applied to many organizations, but as one unit,